So when your image is up, the first thing you need to do is just open that layer ready for editing. So I'm going to name that layer 0 and just press OK. And now I want to add a layer over the top of this layer that's a black and white layer. So go to layer at the top, and then I go into new adjustment layer, black and white. And I'm going to save that as black and white 1. That's the name of my layer. I don't need this properties tab at the moment, so I'm just going to pop that to one side. And there's different ways that you can create a colour pop with this image. One way is using the eraser tool. So I'm just going to right click, press eraser, and I can use this to erase the parts of the image that I want to. If I accidentally go over the edge, all I need to do is flip these two round here, and this will have the opposite effect, and I can erase that another way. You can adjust the size of it by going to the top here. So I can make that much bigger, so I can do bigger areas if I want to. So if I flip that back round, I can erase a nice big area at once, and then just use the smaller version for the edges of the image. You could also use the brush tool, which is similar. So if I just flip those back round again, okay, I can go around the edges using the brush tool. If I zoom in, Control Plus, I can use... This is on quite a soft setting. I can create a harder setting if I want to, and go around those edges. And again, I can just flip that over, use a smaller tool, and soften those edges so it creates a nice finish on the piece. Another tool that you can use to do this is the lasso tool. So if I right click on the lasso tool and then go to magnetic lasso tool, this automatically clings to the edges in your image. So I'm just clicking that down, going round, and then if I double click, so you have to bring it around in a circle, double click and then press delete on your keyboard, it will delete that area of the image. Okay, and again you might need to flip these two round if needed, if necessary, and then press Control D to get rid of the dotted lines, Control D for delta. So there's several different ways that you can do this to add a nice colour pop to your image.